This case considered the issue of fiduciary duties and whether or not a shareholder was entitled to an account of profits from a man who refused to transfer shares into his name after being subject to a court order to do so. In this case, a man succeeded in legal proceedings against another man in relation to the ownership of shares in some companies, and the court made an order that the shares be transferred into his name. The man who succeeded in this action brought a further action against the previous owner of the shares, on the basis that he had breached a fiduciary duty towards him and sought an account of profits and equitable compensation in relation to these shares. He argued that during the period of denial of the return of these shares, he was entitled to such an account of profits. The central issue for the court was whether or not there was a breach of fiduciary duty in the circumstances, and if so, whether there was a connection between this breach and the requirement to account for profits. The court ultimately held